Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by confirming prerequisites: a Globe 5G capable SIM, a phone supporting the correct 5G bands, and an active 5G plan. Insert the SIM, then restart the device to let carrier settings arrive. Once done, check settings right arrow about phone right arrow carrier to validate Globe registration. If prompted, accept any carrier profile updates. This immediate activation step lets the network recognize your SIM, and it now focus on the phone's network settings and APN so data can flow at 5G speeds. Open Mobile Network, choose the 5G preferred mode, and set the Globe APN exactly. This directs your data through Globe's packet gateway. Once the APN is saved, toggle airplane mode for 5-10 seconds and turn it off to force a fresh attach. Make sure no VPN or custom DNS is active. They can block proper IP assignment and slow connection setup. Finish by verifying live connectivity. Look for the 5G or NR icon and run a speed test to confirm throughput. If you don't see 5G, manually search networks and select Globe, then reapply the APN and toggle mobile data off and back on. If problems persist, restart the phone, reset the SIM, or test the SIM in another 5G phone. These isolate device versus account issues. One key troubleshooting tip: if attaching fails repeatedly, reset network settings before visiting a Globe service center.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.